Vangaveeti Telugu movie summary. Set up in the 1970s, Vijayawada, Vangaveeti Ranga's elder brother, Vangaveeti Radha, also known as Buston Radha, gets associated with Communist Party of India, Secretary for Vijayawada, Venkat Ratnam. After few years, conflicts arise between Venkat Ratnam and Vangaveeti Radha to get a hold on the Vijayawada transport business, dominated by the followers of Venkat Ratnam. In 1972, Venkat Ratnam was murdered by Vangaveeti Radha and his supporters. These events, in turn, leads to the retaliation by a rival group and the murder of Vangaveeti Radha. Upon the death of Vangaveeti Radha, his brother Mona Ranga takes over the leadership of United Independent Organization with the support of student union leaders Devaneni Gandhi and Devaneni Nehru. However, leadership issues and power struggles between politically powerful Mona Ranga and the Devaneni family leads to the splitting of the United Independent Organization, and in retaliation, Mona Ranga's associates murdered Devaneni Gandhi in 1979. At this juncture, Mona Ranga's political career begins in 1981, when he contests in the municipal election when the Indian National Congress Party withdrew its official candidate in his favor. Later, his rival in the district, Nehru, gets sponsored by the Telugu Desam Party, TDP, which was dominated by the Kamma caste, while Ranga becomes a leader from Kapu community and stood for downtrodden. Ranga becomes an MLA for the Congress Party in 1985. Nehru becomes a TDP MLA and eventually a minister. Starting in 1983, both leaders implicate themselves in gang warfare, which was fed by caste rivalry between Kamma and Kapu, while N.T. Rama Rao was at the time the first Kamma Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In 1988, Devaneni Nehru's younger brother, Devaneni Murli, was murdered by Mona Ranga's associates in retaliation for his killings of few Ranga's associates. Subsequently, while on a hunger strike in support of issues of farmers, a group of men led by political rivals in the region attacked Mona Ranga's camp in the early hours of 25 December 1988.